Nestled in this quiet, leafy suburb, this beautiful 3-bedroom home is just waiting for its next family to come and make its story. What do you think of this home, Daniel?
Oh, absolutely. Charming little cottage we have here in Riverview. Come inside and take a look.
This classic Queensland home has more than a story to tell. It invites you to create your own. Picture this, stepping into the sunlit veranda, perfect spot to savor your morning coffee while the world wakes up around you. With the warm timber tones of the house embracing you, you're immediately at ease, surrounded by a lush green backyard that seems to stretch endlessly. A dream for family gatherings, kids' playtime, a dog's paradise, or simply a serene escape. This is not just a house, it's a place layered with memories, stories etched in every corner. The kitchen, with its vintage fittings and cozy atmosphere, feels like the heart of the home. A place where countless meals were shared, laughter echoed, and new recipes were tried. And as you move through the living room, you can almost hear the soft crackle of the fireplace. Perfect for Queensland's cool winter evenings. The expansive backyard with sturdy water tanks and a solar setup speaks to a life entwined with sustainability, where utility meets beauty. The bedrooms are generous, each with natural light streaming in, offering a canvas for you and your family to personalize. Stepping outside, you'll find space ready to be transformed. Whether you're looking to create new memories or seeking an investment that radiates warmth and charm, this home offers both a blend of nostalgia and opportunity that's simply irresistible.
Wow, thank you, Simon, for taking us through that today.
Yep, thank you, Daniel.
That's absolutely fantastic. So my name's Daniel Slater.
And I'm Simon Hornstra with Link Properties. Thank you for coming through and having a look at the property. I'll see you at the next open home.